G'day, WA Drop Bear Drones here. Lake Thetis. Only saw a sign and a puddle on a map. I didn't realise its significance. Stromatolites. Yeah, I know. The lake is one of the few places in the world with living marine stromatolites. The Lake Thetis stromatolites exhibit unusual vertical branching. These narrow, closely spaced and almost parallel columns are extremely rare in modern stromatolites, which are layered biochemical accretionary structures formed in shallow water by the trapping, binding and cementation of sedimentary grains and biofilms. Yeah, I know. If you have any suggestions on where you think I should go and get the drone out, post them in the comments. I'm sure there'll be some good ones. And if you think I missed out on some key views in any of my other videos, I can always revisit and try a better spot, especially if you let me know where to look out for. If you like what I do, click that like button, subscribe and share the video so your friends can enjoy it too. These things can really help a channel get off the ground. If you really like what I do, you can buy me a coffee. There's a link in the description. Now let's sit back and enjoy the Stromatolites. The Lake Thetis stromatolites exhibit unusual columnar branching. They're in columns. These narrow... Oh fuck, this is hard going. Let's start this again.